Hello, T-Bricks fans. Today we will be building an outpost, a gangsta outpost, bruh. Okay, so before I started this video, I made this little thing, scout tower, and I added this to a base plate. But that's not really important. So now what I'm doing to the scout tower, I'm adding a roof. There we go. And there. Always make sure when you're building to have a firm, make sure your bricks are solid. And of course they break. But at least it's solid now. At least they're fully stuck together. So you don't want them not to be, because they can easily fall apart. So if you're building a Lego building, you can copy me, but I'm sure you won't. If you're building a Lego building, yeah, make sure you don't do that. Okay, so we'll put it over here, there, and there. So the scout tower, oh crap. The scout tower is now placed. What we will do to the scout tower is add a custom-made spotlight to the back and turn the spotlight around, and there we go. So that is the scout tower. Over here we're gonna add a jail door. There. Or should I do that later? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that later. But anyway, moving on. I will put a gun rack here. The gun rack, it has holding bricks to put the guns on. Okay, next we'll put this on, and then put this piece on, and yes, and then we'll put this piece up as well, so they can actually shoot over and put this as cover, or leave it as a gun rack. Now, over here, I'm gonna not do that. I'm gonna put this down. No, actually no. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the lounge area, I guess you'd call it. So we're gonna cover this area. Put a window there. Okay, move it up a little. Put it there. And there. So I need a floor. There. Okay. So, well, okay, that's different. So I'm just gonna put this up to make it even. And now we have a wall. An amazing wall. There's their flag. It's a white flag. Yeah, they don't surrender though. Okay. So now, in the lounge room, I'm gonna put a secondary door. Not really a door, but a thing you can go through with a metal detector thing. Why? Well, I don't know. Okay. So, let's get more bricks. I'm gonna put this on over here. So that's that. Now, I must another wall. Now I'm gonna put some of this. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. One second, guys. There. So I added like a stone feature. So it's sort of like this, guys. We will add another door just for purposes of entering wherever you want. Now we shall put this up. So there we go. Now I'll just put you guys over here so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. I think. Yep. Okay. So now I'm putting this up. I might want that arch later. Who knows? I'll put this one stud there. And then put the arch in here to shoot out. It is a very colorful base, which I was not really planning to have. But anyway. Oh. Now the 3x1 piece comes in handy, because I just put it there. Now, that's that. So, that's what we have. A room. So, now I am going to add a double flat screen, which is custom made. Let's put it on. Put it back down. So let's put this down over here. Now, I was holding this funny piece. Now we shall make a custom chair. Unless we find a great chair, it's not. It is a very simple one. So what you need is this rotating piece. Then whatever color you want, put a 2x4. Let me just get it on. So it should look like this. Now you have a chair that has back seating and front seating. So this should be in the middle. So we will put that there. Whoops. there. So now we have a rotating chair and a small table. There you go. Okay. So over here we could put like another cover. Another cover piece. And yeah, that'll be about it for part 1 of the Lego Outpost by T-Bricks. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll just give you a quick overview. So here's the scout tower that I built off camera, but we built it together with the spotlight and the roof. Here is the gun rack or cover. I don't know if you saw that. It's the gun rack. Okay, I don't know what I did there. Here is another cover or lying down platform. Now, where is the room? There is the room. Now we have the double flat screen TV, the rotating chair, a little table right here, and multiple exits. Sorry, I can't get my phone in there. So that's it for the one gray piece. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. And thank you for watching the video. We will be coming out with Lego MOX Gaming soon. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.